Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Birkin chicken on a pellet grill easy guide. Place a half-full 12 Oz Birkin inside the cavity, pat the chicken dry, and rub with salt, pepper, and your favorite spice blend. Set the pellet grill to 350 degrees F and roast upright for even smoke and heat circulation. Monitor the thigh until it reaches 165 degrees F, then rest the bird 10 minutes before serving. Begin by removing any giblets and patting the whole chicken dry with paper towels for crisp skin. Loosen the skin over the breasts and apply a generous amount of rub under the skin and across the exterior for layered flavor. Truss the legs loosely so the bird sits upright on the beer can, and let it rest 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature before placing it on the pellet grill grates. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making easy grilling guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading recipes and grilling notes while you cook, and it's a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the prepared chicken over the beer can on the preheated pellet grill and close the lid. Maintain a steady 350 degrees F and choose a mild fruitwood pellet for balanced smoke that won't overpower the beer and seasonings. Use a probe thermometer to check the thickest thigh for 165 degrees F. Then remove the bird and let it rest 10 minutes so juices redistribute, and the skin sets up nicely before carving and serving family style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.